Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Recipes. In today's video we are going to make chocolate. That's our recipe for today. Chocolate as in chocolate color. Chocolate with cocoa butter. So that's what we are going to make in today's video. I hope you stay tuned to the end of this video. So but before then, I would like to say if today is your first time of coming to our channel, if you are seeing me for the first time, welcome to Chef Recipes. All we do here is all about Nigerian recipes and Italian recipe as well. Italian meal and Nigerian meal, snacks or bobo tibo. We are here. So that's what we do in this channel. And at the same time, if you're a new viewer, you're welcome to this channel. Or if you're a returning viewer, you're also welcome back to this channel. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please feel free to click that red button that says subscribe. At the same time, remember to click the bell beside it. That bell, when you click the bell, you will be notified whenever we upload any new videos. So that is the essence of clicking the bell. Let's dive into the kitchen.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea, into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life dressed like another season. Not for them, just a time, dressed like another season. You came into my life dressed like another season. Not for them, just a time, dressed like another season.
Hello guys, I hope you guys enjoyed what we made, how we made our chocolate. To me it was fantastic. It was fabulous. You know, our kids always, once they see this color, they are like, when you do chocolate like this color, they are like, wow, chocolate. So here is our chocolate. I don't know if you see it. You can see our chocolates. Let's give it a test. You see the inside, how it is. Wow. This is wonderful. Please, you have to try for your kids. Whether it's 1 or 2 or 3, try it for them. There is no difference. This is exactly the same thing with the ones I always, because sometimes I do buy them for my kids. But I just decide to be making this on my own at home. And it will, in fact, this is great. This is wonderful. You give it a trial. You give it a trial and let me know how you went about it. So, I hope you do enjoy this recipe. Please don't forget to share this video to your loved ones. Don't forget to like our videos. At the same time, subscribe to our channel. Because whenever you subscribe to our channel, it motivates us to make more videos like this one I just made. So, thank you for staying tuned and see you on my next video. Bye-bye.